All right, so today we're going to be talking about writing a linear equation from a situation. Now, we've already covered this in our last unit, but I think it's really important that we take the time to really dive into this deep because it's going to directly apply to what we're doing for this unit. We got to be able to have this down solid. Okay, so first of all, you see this big box that says need to know. So we're going to do this stuff first. There's some really basic things that we just need to know about linear equations. And the first thing is, we need to know what is a linear pattern, okay? And what we need to know is that it adds or subtracts at a, I'm going to bold this, constant rate. Okay, so that when it says adds or subtracts at a constant rate, that means that it's adding or subtracting the same amount every day. So that's what, or every time we change. That is what a linear pattern is. Okay, and then from there, we need to know what is the linear equation. Okay, you need to know what this linear equation is. Well, that is our y equals mx plus b. Let me write this in our pen. So y equals mx plus b. Oops. Okay, and you're going to see this y equals mx plus b all year long. Okay, and also you're going to see it next year and actually all the way until probably you finish college math. You'll be seeing something with y equals mx plus b. So linear equation. Well, then what comes after that? Well, there's two important pieces of the linear equation. Okay, and one is our actually let's back it up just a little bit. We have two important amounts. One is a changing amount, okay, and the other one is the starting amount. Okay, and we need to know which one of those it is. So the linear equation has a changing amount and it has a starting amount. The changing amount, well, that relates to our m. Okay, that is the changing amount. Okay, and what do we call that? Well, we call that the slope. Okay, and so we need to remember that this is our m. Okay, and then so the b, or the starting amount, that is going to be our y-intercept. Okay, so word starting and changing is really important to attach to this. We have to make these connections. Okay, now we're almost done here. There's a few other things that doesn't directly apply to what we're looking at right here, but we do need to remember that the slope is our changing. Well, it's specifically our change in y over our change in x. Okay, and we'll see that in the days to come. And then for the y-intercept, we need to remember that we're really looking for where x equals 0, or it crosses the y-axis. Okay, I'm not even going to write that. Okay, so we're going to use this, and you're going to see this show up a bunch. We're going to use this to apply to these writing linear equations in these situations next.